That's where it ran dead at. I gotta turn it off because it's still on. Even the Tesla car. Wow, the other blue one did not break at all, really. My other one. At first, it lasted a long time. Well, not long time, but okay, it should work now. And there we go, it's all again. Oh. That means I don't have to screw this all the way tightened. It turned. God, I just have the screwdriver. Where did I put it? It's dead, the blue one. The blue tank spot was dead. The plates were off. Oh, here it is. Oh, the orange one's getting ready to quit going. See, these tank laps go for 30 minutes. Well, the orange one lasted longer than the blue one this time. But the green's gonna outlast them all. There we go. It slips. That's what the red did one time. Wait, that's what the red is doing though still. Oh boy. That means I got the legs in the wrong way. The orange is dead. The lights are, see? You can see the lights. No, don't leave. You're gonna die. Oh, it just did. Look at the green now. So I probably got the legs in the wrong way. It ran dead.